Reviews don't get better than this. I'm reviewing the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 laptop for you today, and I'll be going through everything that's good, bad, and mediocre about the laptop. I am not a gadget influencer of any kind. I don't review products. I don't do any of that. This is just me giving my personal opinion on the laptop that I've wanted to buy for the longest time. And let us say I'm happy with the purchase, but this laptop has big problems and also good things about it. So let's get into the review, and I'm going to go into the details of the pros and the cons of the laptop. We are going to start with the build quality of this laptop. This laptop looks premium and it feels premium. Everything about it is, well, premium. So I have no complaints about it. The only thing is, like, this laptop is a fingerprint factory. Everything about it picks up fingerprint. If you open it, fingerprint. It's like this laptop was built for a government agency where they want your DNA all the time. So that's the only thing about it. But honestly, I'm not mad about it. It's not. If you're worried about that kind of thing, well, you can decide not to buy it. But honestly, I do not care. So that's the display. The build quality is excellent. And now the display is incredibly bright. Like, if you put the brightness up to maximum, you're gonna go blind, honestly. And I just put it mostly at like 30%, 40%. So that does the job most of the time. I've had this laptop for 2 weeks now. So let's say this laptop is an OLED for sure. I know it says IPS on the Acer's website, and it says OLED in another part of the website. So I think it's an OLED, not an IPS. Because if you're spending this amount on a laptop, I think you should be getting an OLED, honestly. But if it's not OLED, I'm wrong then, but it looks like an OLED. So, and also you can change the refresh rate of the laptop from 240 to 60 Hz. Because I saw a review that said you can't change it, but in mine, I can't change it. Maybe that's for the Acer Predator's 16S, which is a different version from the one I have, which is the 16, like the non-slim version. So yeah, the display is great, fantastic. Refresh rate is excellent. And the fact that you're paying this amount means you should be getting 240 Hz, honestly. So yeah, thumbs up for the display. And now, one of the downsides of this laptop, the speaker. The speaker is average at best. It's not that you can't hear anything, but it sounds like the speaker is drowning in something. It's like someone is covering the speaker and you're only hearing a little bit of muffles. But it's not the worst. It's not the worst speaker in the world. Don't get me wrong, but it's not the best speaker. You know the speaker is not as good as it should be for the price you're paying for this laptop. But in my own opinion, I do not mind it, because this is the only laptop I'm going to use for the next 4 or 5 years. So hey, it is not one of the biggest deal breakers in the laptop I've seen ever. So, and you can still hear what the sound from the laptop is producing, but it's just not the best I've seen. So another downside of this laptop is the battery. And this is me trying to be nice. This laptop battery is non-existent, honestly. It is shit. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, the laptop can't last for 1 hour if you're actually using it on moderate use. Maybe you have Google Chrome, Mozilla. Maybe you're using it to even edit a video. Honestly, don't use it to edit a video on battery, because it's not going to last 1 hour. I promise you, it's not going to last. If you're watching YouTube, it lasts maybe 2 hours at best. But honestly, this laptop should be plugged in most of the time. Make sure you carry your chargers if you're going out, because you're not meant to unplug it, honestly. And the thing is, if you do unplug it, it does not get enough juice to power the CPU for proper usage. So honestly, carry your charger along with you whenever you're going. The battery doesn't last. It will say on the little icon, it will say like maybe 2 or 3 hours. It's not, I promise you. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 1 hour, 59 minutes maximum. And that's if it's on standby. I'm telling you, It does not last. Just trust me on that. Do not expect this laptop to go on for 45 minutes if you are moderately using it. And that's me being honest. I wish it did. I wish it lasted for longer, but it doesn't. It really doesn't. That's the only thing I can say with. And I'm very sad about this. I'm very sad. I'm very sad that it's an expensive laptop, man. It should last longer, but hey, that's what I signed up for. That's what I was, because I was optimizing for power. I was optimizing for the most performance, and I guess, well, it is what it is. Now, the temperature of this laptop is not the best. It's not a downside, really. Like, if it's sitting idle, if it's doing nothing, the temperature is really, it's fine. It's fine. But once you start doing heavy computing task, just forget it. That thing can toast your bread, it can fry your egg, it can cook a all 3 square meal for you. And I'm not even joking. It gets hot, like it does get hot. So whenever you're using it for like maybe video editing, playing games, whatever it is, do not place it anywhere on your skin. I've done it before. It is hot. Yeah, it's not a downside really if you're using it, but it's not a downside to me, but it can be a downside to a lot of people. Like the thermals on this laptop is not the best. But the thing is also, like it cools down quite fast. That's the thing about it. Like once you stop using it for like the intensive task, like it cools down like 15 minutes later, and that's it. Like, and you can carry it on your hands again. So yeah, the cooling is not the best. Sorry, or the temperature or the thermals or whatever is not the best I've heard and that I've seen. So beware of that. The next thing about this laptop is the fan. The fan gets loud and incredibly loud. It's not like, oh, I'm here in the corner doing my thing. No. This to make sure you know that it is doing something intensive, especially when you're gaming, when you're doing 3D rendering, whatever it is. It gets loud, and I'm going to show you a test of how loud it gets. So, it is very loud, and it is disturbing, honestly. It is very disturbing. So, beware of that also, one of the downsides. But I do not care because I'm going to use it for most of the next 4 or 5 years. So, hey, that's what I signed up for. Right now, we're in fan control of the Predator Sense, and as you can see, it's on auto. It's idle, so the RPMs are very low. I'm going to show you how loud it gets whenever it's doing something extremely intensive, such as gaming. And there is a max. It gets around 6,000 RPMs, 6,200. And yeah, that's very loud. That's I'm gonna go back to auto. Yeah, it just blend cold air. So yeah, extremely loud. So whenever you're gaming, that's how loud it gets. Beware of that. And now the gaming performance. Like there was a comment on the unboxing video that I did for the laptop that said I should do a gaming test for God of War, Red Dead Redemption, Cyberpunk, and he mentioned like Kingdom Come. I think he mentioned Doom. I'm not even sure. He mentioned a bunch of games, and the thing is, I don't have the money to spend on all those games on Steam. If you ask for like a PS5, like if you ask me to like review the PS5 version, that's fine. But I can't like buy those games just to review this laptop and get like 400 views or whatever, or even two digit views. So I cannot do a gaming laptop on this test. Sorry, I cannot do a gaming test on this laptop. I wish I could, but I don't have the money to buy those games. And my Steam, I've forgotten the password for my Steam. I don't use Steam. I mostly play games on PlayStation, so no gaming test on this thing. But trust me, I have done it. I've used it for creative tasks, and the performance is basically like, I don't know, it's ridiculously fast. It is what it like the CPU and the GPU. Like, I've never experienced something like this. You know when something leaves you speechless and you're trying to like describe it with adjectives. You're trying to say like this thing is so powerful, like it's good. This is ridiculously fast. And if you're wondering if I would use it to play games, yes I would, because I do play games. But the thing is, I can't get those games on this laptop yet. Not even yet. I'm not gonna get them on this laptop. The games I'm gonna play on this laptop are future games that I'm gonna buy. Maybe Doom, possibly, and that is at the end of the year or so. So no gaming performance. But trust me, I've used it for video editing, 4K, and it does it in seconds. Honestly, very very fast. The performance, trust me on this, or maybe you don't even trust me, but in my experience with the laptop, the performance is really, really good. Excellent even. Or, you know, if there's another adjective that describes, I don't know, it's blissful, man. It's a blissful experience, honestly. And that's all I can say about the performance of the laptop, because that's my experience with it. If I do if I do buy a game on Steam or wherever, I'm not going to test it because this is the last review I'm going to do. And now the question you probably have on your mind is this the best laptop I can buy with the 5070 Ti graphics card? Honestly, I don't care. The best laptop in the world is the best laptop that you can afford, that you're proud to buy, that you can hold your head up and say, yes, I'm proud I bought this laptop. Because honestly, even if you buy the most expensive, top tier, highest specs, highest graphics card, in the next 6-7 months, there's going to be another one that tops it. So what are you really optimizing for? If you're a student and you're optimizing for battery life, do not buy a gaming laptop. I don't know what you're doing in this video. Honestly, just go to another video. If you're optimizing for pure fucking performance, yes, get a gaming laptop, but know that the battery won't last unless you have like 7K to spend on the Acer Zephyrus G16 or whatever. Do not buy a gaming laptop if battery is your main priority. Me, I was optimizing for pure fucking juice. I was optimizing for the strongest I could get for the most amount of power I can get in my budget. So yeah, apart from that, honestly, this laptop is great for me. I've enjoyed it so far. So yeah, it's the best laptop in the world for me. And the best laptop in the world for you might be different. So do not start comparing, because there's always going to be another laptop that does it better. Honestly, there's always going to be another laptop that has the best graphics card. So I don't care if, yes, the battery is bad, the speaker is shit, it picks up fingerprint. I don't care about none of the stuff. So I'm fine with it. I'm good with it. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're interested in automation, because that's actually what I do, not laptop reviews. Yeah, that's it for me in this video. Hope you like it. See you.